Hi, it's Odessa. Welcome to today's tour. We are going to check out this 3,727 square foot home with 5 bedrooms. It's 2 stories, it has 4 bathrooms, and we are ready to take a look. So coming in, gorgeous. I love these little light fixtures everywhere, little bits of crystal. The black and white palette with the soft engineered wood floors really is a very classy look. So the fireplace, look at the stonework on there. And I love the right and left side being symmetrical but completely different, with windows on one side and the wall on the other. Of course, we have those gorgeous views. I mean, that could be a painted picture, right? So pretty. Good sized dining room here to the back of the house. The sliding door that goes out to the patio, and these 2 gorgeous picture windows overlooking the Prescott Lakes community and the Granite Dells. This kitchen is large. It is spacious, and it's really pretty. I love this countertop with the little darker gray, the waterfall edge, mitered in the corners. Of course, we have self-closed drawers. They have upgraded the cabinets, bringing them all the way up to the ceiling. Now you're going to see little bits of blue tape. That's because this particular home, the buyer is coming through and marking things that the builder needs to address, typically minor cosmetic issues, before they take possession. So we have our Bosch stainless steel appliances. This is a great spot if you wanted to create a little coffee station. Here in the kitchen, we have our wall oven, microwave, and here we are going into a great size pantry. Here is your garage, nice white coating on there, 3-car garage. Oh, is there a little space on the side? Let's go see. Oh, very small. Okay. So tankless water heater, soft water loop, and I believe this builder also includes the recirculating hot water in their homes. Okay. And the laundry room. Nice big laundry room, lots of storage, the sink, great in there. Now let's go on and see. Let's go back to the entry so we can see the primary suite, and then we will go downstairs. Yes, there's a downstairs on this home. So we have another nice wide and short hallway to the primary suite. Again, a large format. Look at these tiles are square and they're probably 4 foot across. Gorgeous. Freestanding tub, separate room for the bowl, shower. I love that look on the tile, the texture. It almost gives this dimensional. It is dimensional. Look at that. It bumps up. It's got a little crest and valley, little herringbone look. Nice big closet. Wow. And that window is going to give you natural light. So many times when you're getting ready, it's hard to see things because you have all this fluorescent light, but you do have a window in there for natural light. A double vanity. And this is your linen closet. And for the living room, we didn't go outside yet. Let's go do that. And then we'll check out the office in the front and the downstairs. So stepping outside, the builder is continuing construction here. And here's our patio. So you have the double doors going into the living room, and then the single sliding door going to the dining room. There are those pretty granite dells that you see everywhere in the photos because they're just gorgeous. And then Prescott Lakes golf course. The club is right there. You see tennis courts, pools, all that. back in that area there. Of course, your neighbor's house under construction. Put some trees in the middle or be super friendly. Your choice. All right. So now we have, what is this? The West Wing. Let's go ahead and check out. There was an office and a powder room here too. So nice big office here in the front. We have our powder room for guests. And then there's also a coat closet here. Got the doors for all of your winter jackets or your guest jackets when they come in. So that is the upstairs. Again, primary suite was over this way. We walked out on the patio and around here. Kitchen, laundry room, pantry that way. And now let's scoot back this way. So you're living on one level here. You have your primary suite, you have your office, and you do also have this guest bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. And this is all on the primary level. So it's 2 bedrooms, office, 2.5 bathrooms on one level. And then let's go downstairs and see the rest of this home. Now remember, I said this home was 3,727 square feet. So there is lots of space here. This is a perfect multi-gen, or if you have older kids or you do a lot of entertaining with guests, this is a great space, great secondary space. Okay, so coming down the stairs to the right, this is the closet. It's going to go with that bedroom. We have a great kitchenette here. There's a sink. There's a wine fridge. There's a bar counter. You can put in a microwave if you wanted or something else to turn that into a full kitchenette. Look at this huge space. I could see this being a secondary dining room and living room if you wanted to do it more as a multi-gen, or as entertaining, I'd put a table and chairs. And then of course the couches, lounge, TV room. Here's the bedroom. Downstairs bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. There's your sink. Separate room, similar to the bedroom above, right? Separate space for the toilet and shower. Let's come back outside, and there is another, what's this we have here? Storage area under the stairs. Fantastic. Don't leave that space. So this is your finished walkout basement. That's almost like a whole another house. Oh my gosh. So many rooms. Here we have another closet. So there was a door and then a hallway and another door. Now we have a bedroom with a closet. Okay. So let's just give some added privacy. And then your bathroom. And another bedroom. So what do we have? 1, 2. So 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of downstairs. 1 bedroom and bathroom. So this is pretty much a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house down below, with the exception of having a kitchenette instead of a full kitchen. And this is the way now we go outside to the patio. We have a putting green. This landscaping is all done. They're just finishing up putting in a fire pit and some additional landscaping. Again, those stunning views. all part of the Prescott Lakes community. All right, let's talk a little bit about this one. I think I already mentioned it's 3,727 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. So we had 2 bedrooms, an office, 2.5 bathrooms upstairs, downstairs, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Yeah, so 4 bathrooms and 1 half bath. Got that right. It's on 0.28 acres. Now this is in a gated section of Prescott Lakes. So from the backyard, I can see right over to clubhouse with all of the amenities there. But not everyone in Prescott Lakes can get up here because it is gated. This community has its own separate street area. So the landscape backyard has the fire pit, the putting green, gorgeous views of the Dell, the golf course, and the mountains. It really has something for everyone. And what I think is unique about this home that I really like is that it's perfect if you have a large family. If you have frequent out-of-town guests that you want to have a separate private space, so you can live all on one level here. So your entrance, your primary suite, office, 1 guest bedroom, living, dining, kitchen, garage, all that is on one level with that gorgeous deck that looks out. Then downstairs, you have another, basically a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, but with just a kitchenette. So that is perfect for long-term guests, older kids, or other family that wants to stay with you. So this is a great multi-gen opportunity. So please remember to drop me a note if you are coming out to Prescott and you're ready to tour homes. If not, just go ahead and sign up below. You'll find my information. You can join the Prescott homeowner newsletter and just get a little bit of details. It'll show you what videos are coming up next, a little bit about what's going on here in Prescott, and I also like to feature some resale listings in there. So it's just a way to get to know Prescott a little bit better, and also obviously coming back here to YouTube is another fantastic way. So I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. I'm Odessa Kyleman with the Prescott Homeowner.